There is a great infinity between teen and man. We grow at the same time. Place of war are not hurt or starve or cut down in our youth. You are replacement creatures in our disciplined year too stood a little. We remember we scratch our brightly limb and sun and then we are sing we should. Our last sleep method was like the banana. His hands grandly twist like the roots of an ancient tree. Ali was like the younger mimosa plants at the end of Karuchari. In 2 years, younger mimosa plant at the end of the Karuchari yard in the 2 years. Both he and the tree would acquire the strength and confidence of their early youth. The Ganga replacement, the Ganga especially is the river of India, beloved on her people around which are interviewed her recollect memory, her hope and fears, her sum of triumph, her victories and her defeat. She has been a symbol of Indian age-long culture and cultivated, ever-charging, ever-flowing and yet ever the Ganga, same Ganga. She reminded me of the full sun or peak and the deep blue of Himalayas which I have loved so much and the rise and vast plant below where my life and work have been coastal. Hide himself in the mountains. One day he hidden all creative and felt very down to earth. He had made up the mind of give up the struggle. Then he saw a spider trying to swing itself upon a long thread to the roof of the cave. The tried and the but always failed to watch it. The little insect failed all the ninth attempt in succeeding Korean called the surely I can blow only like a spider. I can try again, and I will success made this country free. We sometimes think that we are nice to have someone work to do how many inches grow of them they place the year around yet some bending fields. We make mistakes sometimes. They are right often nothing to do. Most of you are happy when you have regular work to do. First thing to work does not add happiness. The work on the work office, but the honest worker who earns his living useless toils and hold up the breath of heartless worker is under living useless hold up his head to respect himself. Literally good workers help with the building up to the at him. Once a poor woman came to Buddha to ask him whether he could give her any medicine to restore her dead child to life. The holy man told her that was the only medicine which could revive her son. He bade her bring a handful mustard seeds from a house where that son never visited. The sorrowful mother went to the doors kicking the mustard. But every door she will get a replies. One said, I have lost my husband. Another said, your youngest child died last year. She returned with a heavy heart to a Buddha who told her tenderly that she must not take much of her own grief. Sun, sparrow, death are common to all. It is our duty to obey our parents. It means we should always that they tell us to do all that we have given to us. Our parents they tend us when we are too young to anything. Our useless they keep a watch over is come for a snatch provide of our establishment, teach us religions and guard us from evil influences. Obedience is a very simple way of showing gratitude for these benefits. It is the way that is well within the reach of the young infant as well as the full of grown son. We should obey our parents because they have given us everything and they have taken care of our in every since our childhood. Our parents tend us with are too young, take care of us when we are sick, provide intermittent, teach of religions and protect us for bad influence. Obedience is the way of showing our gratitude for all the benefits provided by parents. Amusement. Man is made of many qualities, both good and bad, and amongst the latter is anger, the nature of there is a great infinity between teen and man. We grow at the same time, place of war are not hurt or stubborn or cut down in our youth. You are replacement creature in our disciplined year to stoop a little. We remember we scratch our brittle limb and sun, and then we are think we should. Our last sleep method was like the banana. His hands grandly twist like the roots of an ancient tree. Ali was like the younger mimosa plants at the end of Karuchri. In 2 years, younger mimosa plant at the end of the Karuchri yard in the 2 years. Both he and the tree would occur